Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day video. So let's go make breakfast. This stove on high because I just want to put the burrito just on there for a few seconds, so there will be like brown spots on each side, just so it will be a little toasty. Hot? Warm. Yeah, warm. As you saw in the video, I made a breakfast burrito with wheat tortilla, peanut butter, banana, granola, and cinnamon, and then I just put it on the oven to make it a little crispy on both sides. And I had this at a restaurant one time, so I just wanted to try and make it again. It pretty much has the same thing in it, except they used like a cinnamon granola, so that's why I just use granola and then put cinnamon on it. So I usually eat gluten-free during breakfast time, but occasionally I'll eat like a wheat tortilla like this or something, because like tortillas don't really hurt my stomach as much. So yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. And I mean, if I do eat wheat in the morning, it's not going to be like a really horrible stomachache. It's just like a slight stomachache. So yeah, but I usually do eat gluten-free in the mornings. I will see you at lunchtime. Alright, it's lunchtime, and I also forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, but it's a snow day today. So yeah, that's exciting. So for lunch, I'm going to start with making some couscous on the stove, and this is roasted garlic and olive oil flavored. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm going to cook some veggies on the stove because the couscous is done, and I'm probably going to do peas, carrots, and celery. Okay, so I chopped up all the vegetables and I'm gonna cook them on a cast iron skillet, and I got this pretty recently, and actually you get a source of iron by cooking on it, so I thought that was really cool. And I'm just gonna cook the vegetables with some coconut oil on here. So I am done making my lunch, and so I put some salt and pepper on the vegetables when I was stir frying it, and then I also put some of my favorite spice ever. It's called Spike, and I totally recommend it. I put it on my vegetables, I put it on my popcorn, I put it on my salads, and it tastes so good. So I totally recommend that. So that's what I put on my vegetables. So it is dinner time. So I'm just gonna make a taco salad. Okay, so my camera stopped filming near the end of me making my salad, but I'll just tell you what's in it. Let's see, there's black beans, tomato, spinach, tortilla chips, lime juice, nutritional yeast, avocado, and I think that's it. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. And cilantro. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.